Okay, so Newy, I'm doing a little video for you showing you how I do my pins in there for the Bluetooth unit. And as you can see, what I do, a little bit of like plasticine stuff to hold it in place and to absorb the heat and to hold it still. So have that sitting there, so you can see I've got the TX, RX, 3 volt and the ground there. Okay, so the solder I'm using is a really fine solder. It's 0.8 of a diameter. So it's also your flux core super solder. So as I said, I use what is it? It's a trade frame, and it's good for 60 watt and 30 watt. So I've got it on the 60 watt setting because I like to have mine nice and hot. So we'll get in and we'll see how we solder. So I'm hoping you can see this. All I do, really steady, just hold the torch on there, bit of solder, that's it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it, my friend. Don't forget to always clean the tip up with a cold sponge that's wet, and we'll have a look and we'll see what we've got. So we pull our plasticine off. There we have it. You can see they're all nicely, nicely soldered as it comes here out in the shed. So all good.